Hey, what's up guys? It's J Symone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with my mom and my niece Brielle. My mom is Panamanian, so she's going to be teaching me and Brielle how to make Arroz Con Pollo, which basically means rice and chicken in Spanish. All my mom's friends have always asked for this recipe, so now they get it and you guys get it. We're excited! Yes! Let's get started.
Today we'll be using Sazon with Azafran and Adobo garlic powder, complete seasoning, nature seasoning, which is basically a salt and pepper blend. Wash your chicken and season it with Sazon, cilantro, diced onion, and culantro. Cover the bottom of your pot with any cooking oil. We use olive oil and begin to brown your chicken. Also, you don't have to use wings. We typically use drumsticks, but we decided to use the wings for this small pot demonstration for you guys. Next, we're gonna add in our rice. Yes, we're Panamanian, but we live in the South, so we choose to use Azafran's white rice. Next, we're going to add about half of the bottle of capers and the entire bottle of olives. Then follow up with about 2 more packets of Sazon. This part is totally up to you. The chicken was already marinated in Sazon, but this is going to give it the color and way more flavor.
So you want to now, J Symone, add some spices and season to taste.
All right.
Alright guys, now cover and let all of this simmer for 20 minutes. And there's only one thing you can do during this 20 minutes, if we're being honest.
Yeah, you want to mix in the frozen peas and carrots at the end and let it simmer for 5 minutes. Okay.
Alright, so this is usually how we make it, like I said, with drumsticks, and instead of simmering for 20 minutes, we would throw that bad boy in the oven, but we decided to use this pot for this demonstration. Alright, the Arroz Con Pollo is done. Sean, Boston, you guys can be the testers.
All right.
Let us know.
Begin.
No pressure.
Okay.
Good. I like the
Actually, very tasty. Actually, has a hint of sweet to it. I don't know what you think about that. And I don't taste too much of the olives. You know, I'm not an olive fan like you are.
Boston,
But-
you like the olives?
Very good. Que sabor. Delicioso.
Ooh. All right, we had to come back. Mom did not like the sweet comments. Sean, what did you mean by that?
Well, I did taste something sweet, but I later learned that it was the salad dressing.
Are you being held against your will at all?
Yes. I gave an honest review, but I had to give a clarification. There you go.
So is the rice sweet, yes or no?
Hey guys, thank you so much for making it to the end of the video. The Arroz Con Pollo was a hit with my family, so I had a great time making it, and I can't wait to actually be able to make it without my mom. So let me know if there's any other Panamanian, Caribbean, or Afro-Latina recipes you guys want to see. But until next time, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.